Me and my partner do not see eye to eye when it comes to making art decisions. This is where the artwork is gonna be.
What are you thinking of putting there?
Art? What?
Like what kind?
Like, what do you mean, what kind?
Like, can you show me it before you're gonna do it? I just like want to make sure I like the colors or like, I don't know, whatever you're thinking. Like it's the freaking living room.
Oh my God, she's gonna be the death of me. She really is. With or without her approval, I'm gonna be creating a work of art for our living room for a space that definitely needed something. And now that I have an idea in my mind, I'm gonna go ahead and start creating it because it is time. In this video, I'm gonna be creating a piece of artwork using different elements that I rarely use. We're gonna be using wood, paint, and mirrors. I'm gonna be combining different materials to create this work of art, so I'm extremely excited, and let's get going, let's get started, because I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time. By the way, I just want to let you know, I've never, ever attempted to cut any type of glass or mirror ever in my life. This is my first time. So, just want to let you know. We can proceed. Damn it. Oh, shit. And the far and few times that I choose to give up, I go to a trusted site, Amazon. piece is extremely delicate. Because this piece was cut up to here, this piece is now hanging off of this. And if I crack this somehow, this can be very bad. I'm gonna get clamps. Clamp this on here and clamp this on somewhere else so that I can, get a nice cut. So I'm gonna be following this edge right here with a jigsaw to cut all of that. Now that we have this piece cut, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna layer it on top of this other piece that we're gonna be using for the art. So they're gonna be going together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually trace whatever I cut, that outline, and use it as a marker to kind of mark this out to see where I'm gonna cut, because they're gonna like fall together like a puzzle piece. So now that I cut this piece, I need to see if this piece is gonna like fit in there. And it almost looks like it looks pretty perfect. Not perfect, but it needs a little bit of work, but I think that if I sand it down, it's gonna look really, really nice. I think I might use a Dremel or a router to make it look a little smoother than what it looks right now. I definitely messed that up right there, but I think we'll be fine. See that like little edge right there? I think that's all messed up, but I think the mirror that I'm gonna be putting here is gonna like fix that, so I don't think we have to worry about it. Everything is all cut and sanded. I'm thinking about staining all the pieces of wood the same color. I think I might even mix some of the colors of the stain just to kind of add different elements to it. But that's where we're gonna go for now. I don't want to get too ahead of myself by adding color and all that stuff. I think that's gonna be done later, but for now, let's just stain everything and get it done so that we can apply these pieces back together like the puzzle. That looks so cool.
What?
Come check this out. You like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
You don't like it?
I like parts of it.
Oh my gosh. You're so annoying. I like it.
That's great.
I like it a lot. Come take a look at it up close.
Yeah, it's different. It's cool.
You suck. You suck so much. You just don't appreciate art. I think this adds a really nice element to this wall.
Yeah.
The shadows and everything. I think it's really nice. And then like having the overhead lighting right there like that.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully someone buys it and you can have it in your living room.
This is not for sale.
Oh, it's not for sale?
No.
Oh. Yeah, cool. I thought it was for sale.
Whatever.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would really help me.